Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well. In today's video, I have a couple of steps of how to create a floating bar. You need to remember that yes, we are working on traffic, but you also need to have a website, create, many lead magnets in order to increase your subscribers. So don't forget that while you're working on your traffic, this is very, very important to generate leads and subscribers. So I'll be honest with you, it's very creative and I like it. So we go into the main dashboard of OptinMonster. We press create new campaign. Now we have different ones, and to be honest with you, OptinMonster is very, very easy. We're going here to floating bar. Now floating bar, you can use it for offers, discounts, counting downs. You can put it on the top, you can put it below. It's different, as you can see here. Let's see this. Countdown sales and a lot of others. So we can use different ones, and it's very, very important for you, as I said, to grow your email list and make sure you using the right campaigns, because it's important to spend like 2 to 3 hours to have the right campaigns for lead generation into your website. So let's go for this one. Use template. Would you go for this one? It's for example. Would you put a name here? Start building the campaign. The thing is that you need to be very, very, simple. Here, as you can see here, you can change image if you want, and you can have like videos, the countdowns, the columns, the buttons and everything, icons. So what you can do is to, as you say, just click here and then you can choose wherever. As you can see here, you can write. I prefer to make it as simple, so you have that beautiful tip here, like 24 proven tips to increase your social presence. I mean, if you have such a similar freebie, you can do that and put some bits of pieces. Make it simple, make it easy, and make it attractive in order, for people to convert. Then make sure the design, as I say here, opt-in, or make sure you save when you create a design, and then go to display rules, where you want to display, for how many seconds here, and all, as I said, it's a floating bar, so where to place it, and then save again. Don't forget the integration again with your email service provider. I want to remind you that analytics is very, very important. So before you publish the campaign, you need to make sure you connect with your analytics. And to be honest with you, it's very, very important, because that's how you see what campaign is working for you and what is not, and then you can make changes accordingly. As you can see here on the left, you have everything. You have image, you have if you want to increase the space, you have different features to use for this campaign. So it's very, very easy, but you need to make sure, as I say, spend a couple of like 2 to 3 hours on your freebies, and then put them out there and share it. And it is going to work. It's very important that you generate leads and convert them, and also keep an eye on your analytics, and also segment. It's very important to segment your lead magnets, your lead generation, sorry, so who is signed for what is signed. So it's simple as that. That's it for me today. So thank you very much, and have a lovely day. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I wish you well.